Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, the current price is trading around 10.45 dollars. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there are two patterns are forming. As you can see the lines, first line that shows that the price made this particular pattern and from there it has bounced back from these two levels, okay, the bigger line, and then it started rising. So if this pattern sustain, there is a higher chances that if the price keeps moving up this level, probability of going towards a level of around 5800 can be seen, or to a level of 6th level, because if it's keep moving upside, a probability of going towards this particular level, and then if it crosses this line, then it's good because we can see a further high. But if it bounces back again to this level, then we can see it can come again towards this particular level. If it fall from this level, then we can see a further fall, or it can bounce back again. This is what we can see looking at this bigger line, straight line. But if you look at this particular smaller line, we have seen the trend moved in this particular way, okay, but we have seen it has break at this level, a level from where we have seen it has made a low of around $4392, and then started sustaining above this level. This is what we have seen. Okay, if the price keep moving off this level, probability of going towards 5051 can be seen, and if the price rising above this level, probability of going towards 5106 can be there. And if the price moving above this level, probability is high, we can see a further upside, because if you see from the upper side, there is both these trend lines showing an upside, that chances are very really mentioning that in particular the trend line which I have made, probability will be high. We can see it can go towards a level of $580 to a level of 6000. This is what we can see if the price keep moving above this level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a clear U pattern has formed, and this trend showing an upside, that if the price keep moving above a level of around 5023, there is a higher chances of upside can be seen. And if the price going above this level, probably of going towards 5055 can be seen, and from there then we can see that it can touch previous day high of around 5097. And once the price move over this level, this pattern will support an upside, and chances of crossing towards a level of 5118 can be seen, and from there a further high can be seen towards next level of 5202, and then directly we can see it can move towards a level of 5417, then to a level of around 5454, and then it can touch its all-time high. Remember, these are the some of the resistance we have seen. Okay, this is resistance 5, and then it will go towards all-time high, and once started sustaining above this level, it can make new high. So trail your SL by around $20 to $25, so at least you will capture upside movement. But if the price started coming down, it can come down towards $49.91, and from if the price started going below this level, chance of going towards 49.65 can be seen. Okay, if the price going below that particular level, a further fall can be seen towards a level of $48.86, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 48.50. Okay, this is a support too, so you have to remember that as soon as the price comes down again this level, it will move in this zone, because this pattern will only support when the price keep moving above a level of $50-30, and if it keep moving above this today's high, that is 50-60. Okay, and then only we can see it will trend will support an upside. But if it started coming down, it can come down towards 49.97 to a level of 49.60, then it can move towards a level of $48.81, and if the price falling below this level, a further fall can be seen towards $48.44, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of going towards 47.66 can be seen, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of going towards 46.92, and then from there a further fall can be seen towards a level of 46.45, because this is the zone where the price will be moving if the price didn't sustain. There's a previous day high, a low of around 46.50, so if the price fall below this level, then we can see the price will go further down towards 45.76, and then to a level of 45.45. Okay, because we have seen this is the candle where low has made, after that only we have seen a bounce back. So if this zone breakout happens towards downside, then only we can see the price will fall further down. 46.39 is a strong level, and the gap is also pending at this particular level, so it can fill and then from there a bounce back can be seen. Okay, or it can move further low. This is what we can see, but probability is very high. If the price keep moving off 5,000, there is a probability of upside movement, because if we see this bigger pattern is supporting an upside, both the pattern, this particular pattern and this smaller pattern also, both are supporting upside, and chances will be very high it will move towards a level of 51.12, from there a level of 51.96, and then from there a level of 54.12, and then towards a level of 54.49, and then a further upside can be seen. But if it started coming down, it can come down towards 49.60 to a level of 48.92, and then to a level of 48.44. And if it started falling below this level, chance of going towards 46.66 can be seen, and then a further look can be there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description.